Hope you all are doing well. So let us study about the another cell organelle, that is Golgi body. We'll see about the structure of the Golgi body. In that you will observe the green color structure. This is the structure of the Golgi body. It's a complex of vesicles. It means Golgi body is having small ball-like structure. These are called vesicles, and folded membrane present in the cytoplasm in most of the eukaryotic cell. It means these folded membrane and vesicle structures present in eukaryotic cell, and they are lying in the cytoplasm, the fluid of the cell. So it is called as Golgi body, and they are involving in secretion and intracellular transport. That will talk further about this. Now let us study about the structure of the Golgi body. One of the easiest structure I have drawn over there. In this you will see that shield like structures are there. This is the old one which arise, new one, then it will be new, so most latest will be this. So these fold like structures are called cisternae, and they are helping in secreting the product, so it is called secretory cisternae. And small ball-like structures are there. They are helping to store that product which gets secreted. So these storage done by the vesicles. So you have to remember, folded-like structures are membrane and ball-like structures are called vesicles. Next, we will observe the functions of the Golgi bodies. They are helping in modify protein and lipids. This you have to remember. That is modification protein and lipid. Protein are coming from endoplasmic reticulum and lipids are coming from smooth endoplasmic. It is coming from rough endoplasmic. So it is going to utilize by the body, but before that it has to modify, and this modification done by the Golgi body. Next, it is helping in secreting, as we have done. If we'll see the structure here, these are the membrane structures are there. They are helping in secretion. Next, we'll talk package product for transportation. It means they provide packaging product to protein and lipids and another transporting product. And another function, they are helping in creating lysosomes as well. This is the one of the important function of the Golgi body. Now we'll talk about in the plant cell. Now the another name is utilized for the Golgi body in the plant cell, and that is called dictyosomes. So Golgi bodies are in plant cells. Golgi bodies, if we talk about the Golgi body, here you will see Golgi apparatus are there, which is made up of folded membrane, and small ball like structures are called vesicle. So combination of these two structure, it's called Golgi apparatus, and in plant cell it is known by dictyosomes. These dictyosomes arises from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So hope you will try to understand the structure and function. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.